Greetings everybody and welcome back. So today we will be discussing about how to connect PS5 to capture card 2024. Now this is a system that a lot of people are trying to do because they want to maybe record their gameplays and stuff like that. So what you're going to do is simply download the necessary software for your capture card onto your PC, including basic stream software for gameplay from PS5. So that is important. Then you're going to be connecting your capture card to your computer using the provided USB-C. So make sure that you have that already. And then to USB 3.0 cable. Once you plug in your USB-C in the card's port, the USB 3.0 and into a USB 3 port on your computer. So basically, once you connect your card to your PC, you're going to be using the HDMI cable included with the capture card to connect to your PS5 to the HDMI port. Once the bridge is established and your PS5 is connected to your PC, adjust the settings on your PS5 accordingly, and your capture card doesn't support 4K, you're going to be simply reducing it down to 1080p. And yeah, eventually once your setting is done in the OBS, you're going to be clicking on plus icon. So you can see I use OBS as well. You're going to be clicking on this plus icon, and then you're going to be clicking on display capture. Most probably your PS5 should be available in here, and then you can easily get your capturing done. So that's how easily you can connect PS5 to capture card in 2024. Consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done that already. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.